Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're asking, the retirees in Thailand aren't joining a foreign mafia? I actually have to admit, I kind of made this video because we've been doing a lot of talking about Thai retirement visas and all that. This was kind of a video I wanted to make. It's a little bit more lighthearted, but it's worth noting. Look, I'm not trying to beat a dead horse talking about these retirement visa issues, but they're not insignificant. And if things are to change, and it's possible over coming months and maybe years, we could see some changes to the Thai retirement visa scheme. My opinion is it is better to have done the sort of thought experiments now rather than waiting for the day it all changes and everybody runs around like their hair is on fire. I don't think that's a good idea. But this is a little more lighthearted one. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail. It's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Top Thai Cop Urges Retirement Visa Rules to be Tightened. Quoting directly, although there are several visas suitable for single or retired retirees, including elite, long-term residence, and spouse options, the annual renewable retirement visa issued by the Immigration Bureau is far and away the most popular owing to its cheapness and easy availability for foreigners over 50 years. But it will likely be many months before policy revisions, if any, appear in the public forum. Yeah, that's a good point. I want to reiterate that. This is not happening imminently. I don't want folks to take that away from these videos. I've really tried in all of these videos to put that out there, that nothing's changed. This is just talk at this point. Again, from the articles we've seen involving Police General Surachat here in Thailand, who was talking about possible changes to retirement visas. Again, this is somewhat speculation, but I think it's warranted based on who's been talking about this. Also interesting to note, in further context for the further quote, in that article, the main thrust of that was talking about law enforcement here in Thailand dealing with what are perceived to be foreign criminal elements in Thailand. And then there was sort of this mixture of that topic with the topic of retirement visas, which sort of popped up in the middle of the article. And it seemed a little bit incongruous. And again, I'll keep quoting for further context there, quoting further. Concerns are already being raised about, quote, the baby being thrown out with the bathwater, unquote. Most Thai retirees are elderly men, 65 to 90 plus, with no interest in joining a foreign mafia or even boarding a motorbike, except perhaps to go to the pub. So, yeah, I mean, a fair point there. In that main article wherein Police General Surachat Big Joke Hakpan was quoted as discussing, his issues with Thai retirement visas generally, visa extensions, issues associated with foreign background checks, etc. Yeah, again, it was sort of in the background of these issues associated with law enforcement here in Thailand, and it seemed a little odd, especially when you consider most, again, retirees are more interested in just kicking back. They're not really interested in, quote-unquote, joining a foreign mafia. So, again, a lot of hyperbole there, a lot of humor in that article. Again, as usual, I urge those who are watching this video, go check out that article in detail because I found it, interesting and insightful, as well as it was a little bit funny. So again, yeah, it does make one kind of scratch their head and say, what do retirement visas exactly have to do with this issue? But at the end of the day, we take the information as it comes. And again, when the Deputy National Police Chief talks about issues associated with retirement visas, especially when that person was the former head of Thai immigration, it's probably not a terrible idea to go ahead and listen.